got out one day and got a whole bunch of fleas from that dog. So she can't. Puppy! Oh, and her name's Puppy, by the way. Puppy! Puppy! This is her cage. I know it's a little cruel, but she can't get fleas again. Trust me. Oh, there's my nosy bunch of coconuts. Now, The Cutest Puppy Ever by Alex Wilson. Puppy.